Hey everyone guys, welcome back. Okay, in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to actually update, your DoorDash Dasher app to the latest version, guys, okay? So keeping your app actually updated ensures that you basically get the best performance and access to new features, right? So let's get started, guys. First things first, what you're gonna do is you want to open up the App Store on your phone. Okay, if you're using an iPhone, open up the App Store. If you're Android users, just go to the Google Play Store. Next, guys, what you're going to do is just tap the search bar at the top and type Dasher. And once the DoorDash Dasher app appears in the search results, just tap on it, okay? And if an update is available, basically, you'll see an update button instead of open, okay? Instead of open, you're going to see update. Just tap on update to start downloading the latest version, and you just want to wait for the update to complete. It shouldn't take long depending on your internet connection. And once updated, guys, okay, just tap the open button to launch the latest version of the Dasher app. And guys, you're good to go. Okay, that's it, guys. You have successfully basically just updated your Dasher app. And guys, if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, guys. Make sure you comment down below if you're still having trouble. Actually, I'll help you out in the comments as well. And as always, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel to get notified of the next video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.